What if the very thing that pulls you apart is also what draws you irresistibly together? Welcome to the world of Venus opposite Moon Synastry, where attraction and conflict dance a delicate tango, promising a love that's as challenging as it is rewarding. In the celestial dance of relationships, Venus and the Moon are key players, each holding sway over crucial parts of our emotional lives. Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and values, faces off against the Moon, guardian of our emotions, instincts, and the need for security. When these two come into opposition, it sets the stage for an enthralling push-pull dynamic that can either spark incredible growth or ignite passionate disputes. The magnetic attraction here is undeniable. The Venus person embodies the Moon person's ideal of beauty and love, drawing them in like a moth to flame. Yet, as they get closer, the differences become apparent. Venus's desire for harmony and balance contrasts with the Moon's depth of feeling and emotional complexity, creating a dynamic that's both fascinating and frustrating. Picture a relationship where each person feels they've met their match, yet they speak different emotional languages. The Venus person's charm and grace might sometimes seem superficial to the deep-feeling Moon person, who craves emotional authenticity above all else. Conversely, the Moon person's moodiness and emotional intensity can overwhelm Venus, who seeks a more peaceful and aesthetically pleasing environment. This opposition calls for compromise and understanding. It propels both parties to stretch beyond their comfort zones, Venus to dive into the emotional waters, and the Moon to appreciate the serene beauty of the surface. As they learn and grow, they find that their opposing qualities are actually complementary. Venus brings lightness to the Moon's depths, and the Moon adds richness to Venus's sometimes overly harmonious world. The passion in this relationship is as potent as it is complex, a blend of emotional depth and aesthetic appreciation that can truly stand the test of time, if nurtured properly. The physical connection is just as intense, with each person's desires and sensual needs pushing and pulling in a dynamic interplay that's both challenging and deeply satisfying. As the relationship evolves, it becomes clear that Venus opposite Moon isn't just about attraction. It's about the journey towards mutual understanding and the realization that true harmony often comes from embracing our differences. The friction generated by this aspect isn't a stumbling block, it's a catalyst for forging a deeper, more profound connection. To make the most of this aspect, communication is critical. Open discussions about feelings and values can help bridge the gap and build a foundation for a stable and lasting relationship. Both partners must be willing to give and take, to go beyond the surface level and really engage with each other's emotional worlds. In conclusion, Venus opposite Moon in Synastry is about finding balance in the tension between two opposing forces. It's a reminder that the most profound connections are born from a mixture of challenge and attraction, where the journey through conflict leads to a stronger, more resilient bond. If you're intrigued by the cosmic forces that shape our deepest connections and want to delve deeper into the dance of the planets, be sure to subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of synastry. Together, we can explore the mysteries of the stars and how they reflect the complexities of our hearts. ***.